Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I haven't done a what's in your diaper bag video for a little while, so I wanted to do that with my new bag that I purchased off of eBay. I know that it can be found on Amazon, but I was lucky enough to snag one off eBay, and I've got it packed up and ready to go for two kids, a 3-year-old and a 7-month-old. So let's get into it and I will show you what I've got in there. So it's a big, when it's closed up, on the outside, there's no pocket on the top or anything like that, but we do have a pocket on the side with a zipper and one that just you can drop things into. The same thing on the front and the other side as well. This bag does come with like a shoulder strap, just like a fawn design bag, and like backpack straps, and then for some reason there is like a weird little pocket in here that connects to the inside. So let's just get into it and I'll tell you what I've got. So in this zippered pocket, I've got a couple of cars for my son. He's 3 and sometimes needs to be entertained, so we've just got a couple of those little cars tucked into that pocket just for him. And then in the sort of slip pocket on the back of that zipper pocket, I've got 2 pairs of gloves, one for the baby and one for my toddler. It is winter here in Canada, so you never know when somebody loses a glove what we're gonna need. So it's good to always have a couple of extras on hand. In this front pocket, I would call this my mommy pocket. I don't have anything in this slip part there, so I could definitely drop any like receipts or papers that I find along the way that I need to hang on to in there until we get home. In the top, I've got my like cheap pair of sunglasses in case the sun's in my eyes or whatnot. I can take care of that. I tucked it up here because there's not really a great spot in the bag for it. We'll see if that changes. So I've got just a little pack of Kleenex, tissues, a little jujube small coin purse for any loose change, a little bit of hand lotion, and I've got some headphones, some hair accessories, a nail file, and that's everything that came out of that pocket. So that's sort of my mommy pocket. It's a teeny tiny mommy pocket, but it does hold quite a bit. And that's how I've got it packed up for all of my essentials that I need to grab right away. And then we'll go over to the other pocket here. Okay, so this is the last outside pocket. And in the zippered part, I've just got some feminine hygiene products. And on the outer part, I have nothing. Okay, so let's get into the interior of the bag. So it's just one giant compartment, which is nice because you can open it up and just see everything that's in there nice and clearly. So I've got my wallet. You guys have seen this wallet over the years. Can't give it up, so it's in here. It's kind of a long one, and it's not too thick, but it's perfect. And I've got one little toy for the baby. He does have other toys that we bring out when we're going, but if they're coming with us, they'd be with him in his car seat or stroller. I've got my Clean Canteen water bottle. This is 32 ounces. So it's a giant size bottle. And it's fantastic. I love this bottle. I have it everywhere with me. And then I've got my son's little bottle here as well. This is probably 12 ounces, not nearly as big as the other bottle. Let me show you the difference. Yeah, but they both fit in there well, and I imagine if they're both full of water, it's going to get quite heavy. So there's a mesh, oh, not a mesh, sorry. There's an insulated bottle pocket on this side, both on that side and on this side. In this one, I'm just carrying my little custom set piece or custom medi pouch. So I have all our, you know, sort of bumps and bruises and anything we might need on the road to take care of a boo-boo. So I promised you guys that I was going to do a video on what's all in here, and I will, I promise. I'm going to get to it. We've got some Tylenol, I've got some nursing balm, I've got Band-Aids and alcohol wipes and Afterbite and a thermometer and all sorts of goodies in there in case anyone needs some medical attention. And then in this mesh pocket, I carry a tiny little charging bank for any electronics that die while we're out. So I've chosen to keep, I used to keep my diapers and wipes and change pad in Be Quick, but I've decided that this is going to work better. I could just grab the wipes, I can grab the diapers, I can grab the change pad, and it's all right there, instead of having to go into another little bag. So that's in one pocket. And then this is, so I am type 1 diabetic. I'm actually on an insulin pump, and so this is my insulin pump bag with all my sort of little trinkets in there. So I've got a little bit of candy. I also keep my, that's my Omnipod. Got some money, and I've got some like lip gloss and hair clips and all sorts of things in there. So you can just consider this my little pouch, but this is a Jujube medium set piece, and it fits really nicely in that mesh pocket. And underneath I've got an extra insulin pump, so if I ever need that while on the run. In the other insulated pocket on this side, I have a food pouch for my 7-month-old, and then I've also got a bib and a spoon for him. And then there's nothing else in there, but it is an insulated pocket, so if I needed to carry a bottle or something like that, I could definitely do it in there. But I am still nursing him, and he is really excited that he gets to eat food, so he loves to eat when we go out or when we're at home. So there are 2 other mesh pockets. I haven't put anything in this one yet. And then in the bottom of the bag, I carry a Be Quick. And in here, like, I mean, I have never had to go into this bag since my son was born, but just in case, I've got an extra 2 diapers, I've got an extra sweater, I've got an extra pair of underwear for my 3-year-old. He's been potty trained for over a year, so he definitely hasn't needed to use any of these supplies. I've got an extra hat and an extra bib and an extra pair of pants and an extra t-shirt for the baby. So the only thing that's in here for my son is the underwear. And like I said, I haven't used this pouch at all. I'm considering just leaving it in the car to lessen the weight in the diaper bag, because it really has not gotten used. I just keep putting bigger size clothing in there, but I probably will take it out and then need it, of course. And then the last part that I want to show you is along the bag here, I've got a zippered part, and this is where I keep all the snacks and sort of keep me going items when we're out and about. So I've got a little juice box, and I've got some Costco nut bars, and if we really need a pick-me-up, I've got some little packs of Skittles and some gum. If we are out for a long day, then I will pack a bag of food, but generally speaking, we're just running out either to visit someone or the mall or doctor's appointment or something like that. So this is usually 99% of the time what we carry. If we're going out for the long day at the zoo, then I'll also take a Jujube. I'll take a Jujube fuel cell packed with food and snacks for us. But thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. It really matters. If you love the videos that I put up, please do subscribe. It's going to help me make more content. YouTube announced yesterday that they're making major changes to the small creators, and it's hitting us where it hurts the most. So if you do enjoy the content that my channel puts out, please, please, please consider subscribing. That will help me out a great deal. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.